welcome to LexTalk World Talk Show presented by Clickaway Creators. Today we have yet again Ms. Leena Desai with us, who's a managing associate and trademark team lead of the firm's highly regarded and growing trademark and domain name group. Prior to joining ROYZZ & Co., Leena was associated with WNS Global Services and Coacher & Co. too. Leena is regularly, appearing before the trademark offices in India and is highly experienced in drafting various IP agreements and infringement suits. Not just that, if I talk about the key IP matters that are handled by Leena, there are Khadi and Village Industries Commission versus Fab India, running Shadi.com copyright infringement suit filed in the Bombay High Court. The court the court actually directed the filmmakers to change the title of the film to Running Shadi. Leena has also successfully obtained an order from Delhi High Court in the suit of plagiarism filed by Jaipur-based author Manisha Kulshrestha against National Award-winning director Ravi Jadav's Marathi film, which is Nutraceuticals. I can absolutely go on, and this is not the first time that I've had the privilege of, interviewing Leena. She's also one of our ex-awardees. She got awarded in the IP category in the month of March, where we had our conference in Dubai. So without any further ado, let me just introduce you to Miss Leena Desai, and let's kind of get to know what's new. Hi, Leena. How are you?
Hi. I'm doing good. How are you, Bhavi?
I am great, Leena. It's a pleasure to have you on board with us again, and it's obviously a pleasure interviewing you once again.
Likewise.
Let's start with the main thing here, which has always been my favorite question, about the complex legal issue. We have also discussed it in the past, but as it was an unfair question, I'm asking you again so that we can discuss something else completely.
Yes. So like in the past also have handled complex issues like the key IP matters that you mentioned, which along with the team, of course, we were able to get favorable orders for the clients. And also, currently the firm that I'm working with, ROYZZ & Co, with the team, we handle a multi-jurisdictional contract that we were looking. It was complex because it was multi-jurisdictional. There was, the product was going to be created in one jurisdiction, going to ship, and it was going to be used by two companies in different locations. So it was critical and complex altogether, and a lot of things were at stake. And it was mid of COVID also. So we were working from home, managing it in less than 2 weeks was a tough task for the entire team, but we managed to get through, and it had to finish in 2 weeks. So it was something very critical. We got the opportunity to draft it, of course, and to negotiate it along with the client. So everyone was very supportive, including the client and the other side also, from whom we are going to get the product. So yeah, that's one of the key complex matters, I would say, apart from the others that come through in our day-to-day practice. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Leena, for sharing that with us. Also, now things have changed quite a bit, because when the pandemic hit us, we were more on the remote proceedings, and like everything was happening virtually. But now again, the times are changing. But what do you actually support, and how do you think, like, what is more sustainable and a possible way to increase the access to justice?
I think the hybrid mode really helps to, people to access justice. One, because virtual mode saves time not only for the judiciary, but also for lawyers and the client also, because sitting in different places, we can operate from any place or any part of the world. That is one thing. And a hybrid mode actually helps you not only in the physical, so we are able to appear before the courts physically also and virtually also. So this has made access to justice faster. Like it has speed up the process, which probably was not 2 years back before COVID. So yeah, something like that. Yeah.
And also, when we are on that, how would you rate the current legal system's drive towards increasing this access to justice? And do you think there's like a tangible movement in closing the justice gap?
Yes. So the cases and the orders that are passed have increased. So because the judiciary is getting more time, judges are getting more time to finish off matters rather than keeping matters pending, because adjournments are something that are not really appreciated unless and until it is something of urgent or grave necessity. I would say that you will get you'll be granted an adjournment. That's one thing. So they are encouraging that people use the process in a more feasible manner and more quicker manner, I would say. So yes, I mean, it has speed up the process is what I've seen. The orders, the passing of the orders, the passing of awards has increased, what we have seen. Of course, the backlog is there, but the backlog is reducing considerably, not only in the courts, but also in the tribunals is what we have seen and we are observing.
All right. Okay. Just, I mean, the very weird thought, but I'm sure it will sound legit to you. You being in the industry for almost a decade now, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Almost a decade. Anything that you would like to discuss or maybe share with the budding lawyers that you might have faced, and maybe there's a room for improvement for everybody? Anything at all in your journey that is something that you would like to share with especially the budding lawyers, or who are just like, let's say, 3-4 years experience and they're still trying to make a way in the legal space?
I think from my experience, I believe that passion is something, if you're very passionate about the profession, then that will take you miles, like I feel. And learning is something should never end, because you cannot know everything just like that. And of course, I mean, to the new generation, to the budding lawyers, I'd say reading really helps, and it is something that really helps in the profession also. You should read articles, get yourself updated, which we do. Like getting time or finding time for that is something difficult also, but then it is something you'll have to do it to keep yourself updated. That's one thing. And of course, I mean, there will be ups and downs in that you will face, but that's part and parcel of the profession itself. So yes, at times, people will be harsh to you. Your clients will be very at times insensitive. They might not understand because of the urgency of the matter, for whatever reasons. But yes, I mean, it's a beautiful profession, and if you have the passion, that will drive you to success. Is what I think.
Absolutely. Law is nothing but a passion, and every lawyer actually says that if you really want to be successful in this profession, you have to be really passionate about it.
Yes, absolutely. And right.
As you also mentioned, reading is something which goes for everybody.
Yes.
I mean, like, for some reason I thought that was meant for me, that I should read more. But yes, you're absolutely right. And this is the only way where we can kind of stop consuming information and start consuming knowledge.
True. Well said. Yeah, true. Absolutely true.
But before I let you go, there's one more question that I would like to ask.
Yes.
I mean, we have all, especially me being associated with the legal space for like 3 years, and I've been talking to lawyers. I just know that you guys have a very hectic schedule. Okay, it's hard to, I mean, ask you to schedule an interview with us. Forget about everything else. Yeah. So so I kind of know that and I understand it now. But how do you kind of manage everything? Personal, professional, and how do you make sure that your professional life is also not getting affected? That okay, you have so many things to do. How do you kind of manage your time altogether?
I'd say, like, the passion itself actually helps me to find time.
I should have seen that coming.
Yeah. Because I really love my profession, so I've always been able to segregate my personal and professional life. It's actually the profession that has helped me to balance out my personal life. There have been ups and downs, which actually the profession helped me to calm myself, to manage it in a better way. So yeah.
Right. Yeah. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Leena, for sharing your wisdom with us. And trust me, with you, interview doesn't even feel like an interview. I mean, it's more of a conversation, and I get to learn something or the other all the time. I really wish you all the best, but more than
Thank you so much.
anything,
Thank you so
we
much.
would love to have you again, and we would love to discuss some other trending topics in the legal space the next time. But for our viewers, if you like this chat with Leena, please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to ClickAway Creators YouTube channel as well. For more such videos, for more such knowledge from industry legal leaders just like Ms. Leena Desai. This is Bharti for LexTalk signing off.